How to remap keys on any keyboard in Windows 10 or 11. Whether you want to customize your keyboard, shortcuts, or fix a problematic key, we've got you covered, so let's get started. Alright, let's dive into the method for remapping your keyboard keys and third-party tools so you can choose what best for you. First up is using Windows Power Key, a free tool from Microsoft that offers an easy way to remap keys. Go to the PowerToys GitHub page or search for the PowerToys in your browser and download the latest version. Once installed, open PowerToys. You can find it in your Start menu or by searching for PowerToys. In the PowerToys settings window, click on Keyboard Manager from the video sidebar. Click on the Remap Key button under the Key Remapping section. In the Key Remapping window, click the plus button to add a new key mapping. Press the key you want to remap in the physical key column, then press the Remap New Key. You want it to be in the Map to column. Click OK and then apply to save your changes. After making changes, it's important to verify that everything is working as expected. Test your remap keys to ensure they perform the new functions correctly. And if you need to revert changes, you can go back into the PowerToys, the registry editor. And that's a wrap on how to remap keys on any keyboard in Windows 10 or 11.